What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 trendy natural hairstyles, or you could say top 5 trending natural hairstyles. So if you're interested in seeing these styles, stay tuned. Okay, so these styles are going to be super easy. This is already a trending style. Braid outs and twist outs are very trendy. So this by itself is already a trendy hairstyle, but I'm going to be showing you guys 5 other styles. So the first style that I see a lot is the style where you have 2 plaits hanging down like so. So I would take this plait and probably this one and twist them. Like hair jewels, you can't not do this style without hair jewels. So this is number 1 of the trendy hairstyles. These 2 braids hanging down right here. Sometimes I see them with the hair down. Sometimes I see like they pull up the hair, or sometimes I see like they pull the hair back and they have like these 2 braids hanging down. So this style is trending or trendy. So another trendy hairstyle is the top little bun, the high and low situation. So it's pretty much all your hair is down, and you're gonna take the crown of your head and twist it in a little top knot bun, like a little bun, and secure it like so. And usually the edges are laid, but my edges are not laid. Another trendy hairstyle is the top bun with the hair down. Okay, I've seen this done with weave, I've seen this done with natural hair. Apparently it's a thing. Okay. So this is trendy hairstyle number 2. Okay, so number 3 is going to be, this is probably some of y'all favorite one. I don't know for sure. Let me know what your favorite ones are in the comments down below. I was going to say in the description down below. Yeah, let me know what your favorite ones are. Okay, but the next hairstyle number 3 is pretty much 2 twists. I'm trying not to mess up my cute little braid out, you know. So 2 twists, hair jewels, of course. Can't do this hairstyle without hair jewels, okay? And crisscross it like so. Clip it, and then trendy hairstyle number 3. So this is a trendy hairstyle number 3, where you have your crown with some jewels, you know, and then the rest of your hair is pretty much down like so. Okay, now we're about to do trendy hairstyle number 4. Trendy hairstyle number 4 is, here we go. Pretty easy. It's probably one of my favorites. So you just take all your hair, bring them forward like so. And then take the hair, the string, and then bring it up. And then on the sides, bring it up. And then in the front, just shape it up how you want it to lay. Okay. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of like want it to be going forward like this. So I mean, if my hair was a little shorter, then it would be easier to just put it going forward. But I kind of like have to tuck it in and play around with it. But you know, trendy hairstyle number 4. This is like naturalista's go-to hairstyle when you have like an event to go to and you're trying to look extra cute. You know, this is one of those hairstyles you would do real quick. Put on some bomb earrings and then bam, you good to go, right? So this is how it's looking. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, because it's a natural hairstyle, it doesn't have to be perfect. The messier it looks, the better actually. Cause, you know, natural hair, it gotta look natural. So this is trendy hairstyle number 4. Hope you guys like it. I mean, I probably overdoing it with the the hair jewels. You probably don't need hair jewels for this style. But I just feel like hair jewels make the hairstyle look just a little bit better. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit better, right? So you fix it. Oh, hold on. Okay. Okay. I need more hairpins, but this will have to do for now. So, trendy hairstyle number 4. Okay, last but not least, trendy hairstyle number 5. So the trendy hairstyle number 5, last but not least, is it's almost like a pompadour. It's kind of like my go-to hairstyle where you do the crown on the top of your head. So how I do mine, if you don't want to mess up your hair too much, how I do mine is I crisscross on the top and bring it back. Crisscross on the top, bring it back. Crisscross on the top, bring it back. And let me see if I have any to crisscross. Okay, no. So then I pin it there. Trying to add a jewel, because like your hair kind of start to like mesh in with each other. So you kind of want to show like the different crisscrosses. Like I'll kind of like put a jewel on each one. This is trendy hairstyle number 5. Okay, trendy hairstyle number 5. It's like a crown pompadour type of something going on the top. Fluff it out with your fingers, make it look a little higher. Make it look as high as you want it to look. Yeah, I kind of like to, yeah, this is it. I did a video after wash day routine. I'll leave a link to that in the description. This is how I achieve this braid out look. It's just the braids and I loose them out after like a week. So yeah, check the description below for all of that information. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video, I think tomorrow. Bye.